What makes Norton High School unique? Well, I'm going to start with the food. You see, here at Norton High School, we have a very large variety of food, ranging from a deli to pre-made to even a customizable section. And if none of that appeals to you, we also have salads and sandwiches pre-made for your liking, as well as a very large variety of beverages. The art room is very spacious and very exuberant. You can see a lot of very difficult tasks being handled at quite an early stage because these teachers really know how to teach. Students will learn how to make food look realistic, very realistic drawings of skeletons, as well as, just so much. I can't even explain. But we also have a very large variety of supplies, and you will never run out. The back room is pretty much 100% paint. So if you really like to paint, this is the place for you. And if you want to show off that paint, we have an art show that happens every year, which shows just how talented our students are. And on top of the talent, we also have the Norton High School Coffee House. You see, here at the Coffee House, we have students perform music, covers, poetry. You can bring your own instruments. You can use the ones we have here. Students can really show what they love, judgment-free. On top of the music, we also have a recording arts class, which I do really like to show because of just how unique that is for a high school. That's like college-level stuff right there. Then we have the library, quite possibly the favorite location of just about every student. Home to many clubs, as well as, me most of my free time. I like to sit in these very comfortable chairs that have chargers at the ready. You can charge any kind of device, and they have you covered. There is a large selection of magazines, although, not really there to read a magazine. I'm there to do work. But if you finish early, you got yourself a magazine. As well as for you comic book lovers, we have a filing cabinet in the back filled with comic books. That is right, comic books. The book selection is very large, and we have basically every genre that you could ever ask for, with the help, of course, of Miss Young. Here we have the Rubik's Cube Club as well. As you can see, they take lots of time, lots of effort, and really show off their skills by making full-scale portraits. That's right, that's Rubik's Cubes. And it's not all just patriotic. We go by season. For instance, we have Pennywise here because Halloween is amazing. It really is. Norton High School is also home to many sports teams and very successful sports teams like the football team and, here's a video of our cheer squad. We are home to many, many sports like golf, basketball, soccer, hockey, lacrosse, track and field, baseball, tennis, swim, volleyball, and even esports. And that doesn't even include the activities, which are robotics. As here you can see here, they are literally just building a robot in their free time. There's too many activities to list, which is why you have to check it out yourself. One of the biggest ones here is DECA. And just look at all these students, all interested in business. We have you covered if you're into business. But I think the classes are the most unique part. We have forensics, U.S. history through music and film, TV, video, game design, robotics, CAD, engineering, finance, woodworking, construction tech, zoology, recording arts, guitar ensemble, sculpture, hospitality and tourism, and even more. It's crazy. And then, I think this is the most important part here, is the Wall of Positivity by one Miss Faye. Pictures of everybody's dogs will go up here, as well as the lockers. As you can see, Norton High School is a great choice and a very beautiful school. You can also eat lunch outside, which makes it very nice in the summertime, although I wouldn't recommend it in the winter, but that's just my personal opinion. We have a large parking lot for all of our students, and to make sure you get a spot, we do have parking passes so everybody gets a fair chance. This school is beautiful, and I really love that I made the choice to go here. I highly recommend you check out more than just what I said, because I could not cover it all in this short video. This was just to make sure you knew. And, there I am. And I'm going to give you a wave, probably laugh about it, and that's all I have to say. Thank you.